पहाड़ियां लगी हुई हैं.
The weather is already wreaking havoc on
The car is just slipping. Bringing food for them.
attempting to clear snow off the tarmac, but it doesn't look like they're making much progress as high winds continue to blow the snow around. Hello everyone, thanks so much for joining us on Global News at noon. I'm Brittany Rosen. The weather is already wreaking havoc on the busiest travel day of the holiday season. WestJet has already canceled flights both in and out of Toronto and Vancouver for the day, and more delays seem to be on the horizon.
Good morning everybody. ये देखें ये सूरत हाल है. It is supposed to be one of the biggest storms in the last few decades. ये already US में hit कर रहा है. हमें ये अभी ये snow शुरू हुई है just I think 20 minutes back. It was all clear, it was raining, and I will show you कि यहाँ पे ये जो बर्फ़ पड़ती है ये किस तरह तेज़ी से नीचे आती है and how things can just change all of a sudden. Winds will be blowing at about 100 kilometers, and that is going to be the biggest problem. Ice is another one. ये नीचे जो आपको नज़र आ रही है ये ice है. In just 10-20 minutes the cars have started getting all the snow on. Schools have been shut down, so no schools today. Many offices have been shut down because of the weather, but I have to go to the office since I have to finish some work. I was off yesterday, so I need to catch up. Look at the wind. अभी कोई भी पत्ता नहीं है, लेकिन you can see कि इस वक्त दरख्तों की क्या situation है. और this is going to be the biggest problem in today's driving, and I would suggest if you don't have anything important to do, then stay home. My handles are again frozen today. Man. So it is coming down hard, and temperature is going to drop from 3 degrees to about -25 today. So that is the biggest change in this winter. Hardly कोई traffic है इस वक्त roads पे, क्योंकि लोग I think they are trying not to come on the roads because of the storm. Snow may not be the problem, क्योंकि snow तो maybe हमारे पास सिर्फ 10-15-20 सेंटीमीटर पड़ेगी. The problem is the wind and the freezing on the roads. क्योंकि जो wind है वो जब ये snow accumulate होगी थोड़ी सी, तो ये हवा में उड़ना शुरू हो जाएगी, और फिर that will create a blizzard like condition. और वही सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है जब आपकी विजिबिलिटी लो हो जाती है और आपकी ग्रिप नहीं है नीचे रोड के ऊपर, then the accidents happen. This is the industrial area, and I have not seen these trucks here before, so maybe they are also trying to hunker down during the storm. And it's all about the mindset, क्योंकि इंसान जो है वो different mindset में गाड़ी चलाता है every day, and then all of a sudden the conditions change. It's not easy for everybody to just change that mindset, and people just keep on pumping on the gas, and then they don't realize how slippery these road conditions are. You need more time to stop, you need more time to give other cars space, and when you're crossing the signals you need more time, or you need to give more time to the people who are coming from the other side. So beware, and just be patient with other people, and you'll be fine. मैंने अपना स्नो ब्रश जो है ये सीट के साथ रख दिया है, क्योंकि आई नो कि जब मैं वापस आऊँगा there will be a lot of snow, so I have to clear it from the car. It's hitting hard, you can see that. This is the current situation out there. There's no one else in the parking lot. All businesses have closed. It's blowing hard. It's accumulated on the ground a bit as well, but the problem is this blowing snow, low visibility, ice on the roads. I have to get ready now and head out. In a winter storm, it is an effort. It takes a lot to get ready and go out. इस वक्त temperature drop जो है, that's huge. In the morning when I came, although it was blowing, it was around 1 degree, and just 30 minutes before that it was 3 degrees. Now it is at negative 11, feels like negative 20 at this time. So you have to go prepared. Listen to the wind. So here's the situation. That's where my car is. Not much snow on the car. लेकिन हवा से जो उड़ रही है, that's quite a bit. Let's clear it up. This is all snow जो कि दरवाज़ा खोलते ही अंदर आ गई है. Let me sit in. Oh man. गाड़ी स्टार्ट हो गई है. Let it warm for a minute. ना स्टीयरिंग हीटर ऑन करते हैं, बट हीटर ऑन करते हैं, मीडियम. That's gonna make me warm. Now you'll get a better idea. जो मैं बोल रहा था कि the visibility issue. Now you can see कि मैं अभी inner road पे हूँ. अभी मैं ना तो highway पे हूँ ना कहीं और. ये छोटी सी सड़क है, यहाँ से गुजर और ये industrial area. Look at the road. झक्कड़ चल रहे हैं और ये बर्फ जो है ये उड़ उड़ के जो है आ रही है, लग रही है गाड़ी को भी. और you can see how empty is the city. This is industrial area. There's always some trucks, cars or something. Nothing today. Going slow and having winter tires is the key. That's very, very important in this weather. I'm gonna stop here. Here railway tracks हैं. I'm gonna stop here for a second. शीशे जो है मेरे जम गए में. It's not opening. What about the other side? Now that's also frozen, so I cannot really open the window and show you something. But look at this, man. Here's the other side, and here is my front. The car is just slipping, although I have good winter tires और इस वक्त जो accumulation है वो भी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है, लेकिन चूँकि icy conditions हैं, it's really bad. Be careful out there. Whoever is driving today, be careful out there. Go slow. Take extra time to reach your destination. मैं अपनी स्ट्रीट पे एंटर हो गया हूँ and I just stopped here to show you the conditions. ये जी मैं वापस पहुंचा हूँ. ये हमारे ड्राइवे की हालत है इस वक्त. पहाड़ियाँ लगी हुई हैं. Look at that. Look at that. Man. ये देखें, ये ब्लो होके आ रही है, ये उड़ रही है बर्फ. Just gonna take you for a little walk. Whew. Man, it is cold. Look at that. It is important that we keep our birds happy. ये सामने आपको चिड़ियाँ नज़र आ रही होंगी. They want food और मैं इन लोगों के लिए फूड लेके आया हूँ. तो ये बर्ड्स जो हैं, इनको आज सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है किसी भी फूड की. So I'm bringing food for them. That's the bird feeder. I just filled it up and they are waiting. It is cold. It is very, very cold. Look at the condition. This is our sitting area at the back. The patio. It's all filled up with snow and it's accumulating now. जो हवा का जोर है, it's about 80-90 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो जिसकी आवाज़ आ रही होगी आपको, ये बड़ी ही हैबतनाक है, बड़ी खौफनाक आवाज़ है. और इस ट्री में बहुत से बर्ड्स रहते हैं. और अभी मैंने ये जो खाना डाला है, ये अभी खाना ढूंढ रही थी चिड़ियाँ. अभी आ जाएंगी थोड़ी देर में ये खाने के लिए, क्योंकि आज इन्हें सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि खाना ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल है इन कंडीशंस में. Look at this.